Hello, ladies and gentlemen. You're watching Master Sice, and we're here at a friend's house, and we'll just call him Big J. And the tattoo I did on him a while back, all healed up. Connected to another one. What does it say?
Money over bitches.
Money over bitches. What else did I do on you?
And it's cricket.
Cricket right here. Jimmy Cricket. Why'd you get that one? And then number 5 is his number, or what?
Yeah.
How old is this tattoo?
Like 2 weeks?
2 weeks? It's already all done, healed up?
Yeah.
I didn't even think the white was going to come out on your skin that good.
No, everybody likes it too.
Yeah?
Yeah. I like how you did the color like that and everything.
Nice. So, there's the Jimmy Cricket tattoo, and it's all healed up, and this is Master Sice signing off. Peace out. And you can see there's my tattoo work, and it's already all healed up, and it's all finished, so all you haters out there, the proof is in the pudding. And watch out, there might be a cockroach in the pudding. Peace.